Hello everyone, welcome to SUI price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis, and starting on the daily chart here we are looking at our several scenarios towards the upside and towards the downside, of course, for lower prices. So let's of course dive deeper a little bit here in those scenarios and see what is coming next for SUI. Now of course the latest video we said of course we have topped for SUI. I already of course called a bearish scenario since this top, looking for a wave 4. Short-term bearish, and here we go, we moved down for SUI. And yeah, so starting from here, of course, we have an impulse or a contracting diagonal here, but of course followed by an impulse, meaning market was finding psychology and it found it in this impulse for higher prices. So we're gonna start to count from this point: 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing wave 1 or wave A. After both case scenario, you're looking at A, B, C, wave 2 or a wave B. And then wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing a wave 3 or a wave C here as an A, B, and a C towards the upside. In your yellow count, you have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So you are seeking for a wave 4. In your blue count, you are looking, of course, for another scenario, which it can be, of course, 3 ways towards the downside, or it can be even an impulse towards the downside as well, where you have finished ABC 3 ways up, probably 3 ways down, which is, of course, your magenta here, and then moving towards the upside. Now, another scenario can still be, of course, unfolding here is a double 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, meaning this wave 2 can be, of course, very deep in A, B, and a C towards the downside and moving for higher prices again. In case, of course, we went very deep, this can be, of course, a higher scenario for double 1, 2 here for SUI and looking for 3, 4, 5, and 4, 5 in even for higher prices. So now basically let's dive a little bit deeper on the 1 hour chart to check what's going on in this wave towards the downside. As you can see, we have labeled it before as a, because we got an impulse already here, as a 1, ABC for 2, and probably 1, 2, 3, 4. Your wave 4 interfered here with your zone 1, which is basically not allowed, but it looks like a perfect F5 wave finished in a expanding diagonal. Very, very perfect expanding diagonal. I don't know what to say, but yeah, if we got an expanding diagonal here, it is not, of course, yeah, possible even to have it for a wave 3. And therefore, I would have to call this possibly a 1, 2, and another 1, 2 here. And probably we're looking for a very, very deep wave 3 towards the downside for SUI. And the price might still, okay, the price even is now looking very, very impulsive towards the downside. So basically, yeah, the possibility is that is it this a wave 1 as well after 1, 2, 1, 2? So if that is the case scenario, let's take a look back in the scenarios here that we have. If we get a very deep scenario here, our possibility are very, very very low for the bullish, yeah, because if we hit the 2.25 here dollar, this is an invalidation for your bullish scenario, which is in yellow: 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. You're not allowed to, of course, reach this zone 1 here, as you can see, if we dive deeper, yeah. So invalidation of this impulse 1, 2, 3, 4. So we cannot expect any wave 4 in case we reach the 2.25. And this scenario is gonna be deleted. So in case we dive deeper, which obviously we're gonna take the low, and if we take the low, we are very, very close to the invalidation, meaning we are going to take this scenario, which is the red one, which is very, very close for the red one in case, and it's gonna finish as an impulse, meaning A, B, and a C, of course, toward the downside, and that might be, of course, your biggest fear here. Maybe wave 2 in the orange with a double 1, 2, right? So it's gonna transform to 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 towards the upside. Very, very possible, guys. Or it can be, of course, something else, maybe 3 waves up, 3 waves down, so nobody knows. 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a simple regular flat. Yeah, so this transforming just into a zigzag, and then another zigzag, and another zigzag, and that's it. So basically, yeah, now we are looking for lower prices, basically, and we're looking to reach at least the 1.618 anyway. And yeah, we are very, very close for invalidation. So trade safe and see you in the next one. Bye bye.